Kim Kardashian and I are going to be working together, and Kanye. No, actually, Kanye's not involved in this one, on prison reform with Trump. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm also the lead crypto advisor for Trump as well. Charles Hoskinson's currently winning the poll over me by 7%, but it is going to be me. Sources say this. Sources confirm this. Also, sources are words that I said somewhere else. Okay. All right. Robinhood adds support for Solana, ADA, XRP, and Pepe for U.S. investors. So this was big news. And this is another reason why Pepe was pumping. It went on. It has now been given the stamp of legitimacy along with a lot of other coins. And I mean, look at this. Solana, ADA, XRP, and Pepe. And I think WIF is probably going to be right up here. WIF, Peanut, Popcat, probably not Floki. Floki's probably going to get left out of this. It's doing really well, but I think Floki's probably going to get left out because it is a little bit of an older coin compared to some of these brand new ones that people are going crazy over. And I don't know what the advantage of adding it might be. If it may already be on there. I don't think it is, though. Let's see here. Back after regulatory turmoil, Solana and Cardano are back. So they had been removed because they were included in that Binance lawsuit or Coinbase lawsuit with one or the other, or maybe both. They removed even Polygon, as you can see. So there you go. Are you on the lookout for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that offers low fees and high security? With so many exchanges to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find the right one that meets all your trading needs. That's where Phemex comes in. Phemex is a top-notch crypto exchange designed to provide you with an exceptional trading experience. By joining Phemex using my affiliate link, you can enjoy a wide range of trading features, low fees, and robust security measures. Phemex prioritizes your security with advanced protection protocols, ensuring your assets are safe. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes trading a breeze, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. But that's not all. When you use my affiliate link, you'll also get access to exclusive offers and up to $8,800 in trading bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to trade on a platform that truly values its users. Click the link in the description to sign up for Phemex today. Start trading with confidence. Your journey to successful crypto trading, well, it begins now. Ethereum wedge pattern can break out, push price to 54.50. I think so. Ethereum ETF saw their highest ever single day inflow. Guys, this is good news. If you're an Ethereum holder, this is the institutional money coming, and this is what you want. It's not all institutional money, but in a roundabout way, it is here. Some of this is retail investors on the stock market, but still, in a roundabout way, through investment firms or hedge funds or whatever it might be, a lot of this is money that is moving from institution into Ethereum now. Guys, you should look at Ethereum like Wish.com Bitcoin. It is the Wish.com Bitcoin now. What is Bitcoin good for? Self-sovereignty. Sure, we can have that conversation, and it is. But to most people, what is it? It's a store of value. It's digital gold. Now we have Ethereum as digital silver. There is value to digital silver. If you own a lot of Ethereum or you run a validator node, you're probably going to do okay. You got a liquidity pool, a lot of Ethernet, you're going to do well. Okay, you're going to do okay. But man, if you had in Solana, it would have been a lot better, right? And that's where a lot of people are going to be with Ethereum, is that if you're a conservative investor, a whale investor, Ethereum is great. It's going to be institutional. It's going to move. It's not going to ever 3x again outside of from lows, okay? The highest ETH ETF inflow day ever. This does mean ETH season is coming, guys. This does mean that. I wanted everybody to be clear here. This does mean, in my opinion, that Ethereum season is coming, whatever it's going to look like. Probably will push to all-time highs. This is going to be great. It's going to be in the next few weeks. Altcoins are going to probably rip in the next month, and then Bitcoin's going to have its time in the sun again for the next month after that.
XRP just had a nice little pump up to almost 77 cents.
Let's go. XRP Army. We told you. We told you to hang tough. We told you to sit tight. We are now getting above support levels immediately following the XRP announcement that it was not a security from the SEC back in July of 2023. What a day that was. What a day that was. Anyways, guys, you can look over here and you can see also at spot ETF flows. These are just the different Ethereum ETFs, as you know. And look, I do want to reiterate here, the reason why this has become such an institutional darling is because of BlackRock. BlackRock is the one that legitimized Ethereum and got an ETF done, basically. Grayscale played a role as well, but BlackRock was the behemoth that came in. And I do want to say that I believe that I have nothing to base this on. And this is just speculation. I want everybody to know this. I have reason to believe by speculating. Let me just say it like this. Wouldn't it be interesting if Vanguard's pivot back into crypto was an XRP ETF? Oof. Because I've told you the Vanguard is not anti-crypto. Stop believing this dumb shit that they tell you. Please stop. It's stupid. Vanguard owns more of BlackRock than BlackRock. They own 15%. I think BlackRock owns 14 or 13% of their own company, their own selves. How is Vanguard bearish on crypto when they're the biggest holder in BlackRock that's like the top dog in crypto now? Can we be for real on this, guys? And you can follow the money and you can follow the companies and the board members and all that stuff. It's much simpler than you guys are making it out to be. It's much simpler than that. And the thing is, this whole thing was set up for Vanguard to come in and tell you, hey guys, now after a lot of deliberation, we have thought about it and we are now pro crypto and we're going to file an ETF and it's going to be for XRP. I don't know if it's going to be an XRP ETF, but that is going to happen. Vanguard is going to make that move, I believe, during this bull run.